So now in order to make the nose, you're going to grab the darker color pink that came along with your kit. Going to start with a slip knot, insert your hook, and now we are going to chain 5. Now for row 2, we are going to single crochet across, so that'll be 4 stitches total. Now we are going to chain 1 and turn to the other side of the chain, so you're holding it upside down, and then we're going to be working into the opposite side of the chain. So we're going to single crochet 4 across, just like we did on top. And then without chaining, we are going to continue working in a round, and you're going to single crochet 10 around the nose. Now that we've finished that final row, you're just going to snip off your little bit of excess here. And we're going to pull out a long tail for sewing. And this is what it should look like from the front. So grabbing the black yarn from the kit, you're going to snip off 2 longer pieces that we're going to sew on as nostrils. So you'll grab your embroidery needle, thread that on, and then we are going to kind of look at the nose head on and find 2 points slightly off from the center where you're going to sew this black yarn in vertically, creating 2 small nostrils. And that's what your nose should look like when you're all done sewing in your nostrils.